Hi everybody, this is mini number 3 for Shazam 28. It is now 12:03 and 43 seconds, July 2nd. As explained, this mini, whoever comes in first place in mini number 3 is going to get assigned the first 4 available spots in the main. Those spots are 21, 24, 25, and 28. Whoever comes in second place in this mini will get the final 2 available spots in the main, which are spots 29 and 30. As soon as this is over, I will fill the main and run the main. So here we are, numbers 10, best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is the final one. 10. Spot 10. John Garner gets the first 4. Howard Kleiman gets the next 2. Time is 12:04 and 42 seconds.